Hello, eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. Who knew the journey to success was full of potholes, valleys so deep you can barely breathe, and mountaintops so high you can almost touch the sky? Oh my God. You know, the journey to success is going to test everything. It will turn every unturned stone, meaning you'll have to check yourself in the depth of your heart. How badly do you want this success? And you know, it's a new era now. The ego has no place. Only the heart and soul can speak, meaning you cannot use egos to build this success. I mean the ego as in ego. You'll have to use your heart to build the empire of success that you desire. Meaning you'll have to be true to yourself, to your authenticity. What is the inner voice telling you to do? Have you done it? Have you put everything on the line to get it done? Are you maintaining integrity? Putting in the inspired work that's necessary, learning the skills that you need, showing compassion, treating those around you with kindness and pureness, knowing that whatever you do is not only on the profitable side, but it's to improve others, because the success of the future will come from helping others to become their best. By serving the right things. If you're serving others in a way that damages them, that won't work anymore. The future is different. Quick schemes and get rich quick, I don't know whatever they call those things, they won't work anymore. They have no place. It's integrity, long standing on the foundation and concreting yourself that you're in for the long haul. Yes, the profits will be there. Yes, fair pricing will be there. Yes, floods of all your heart's desire will come, but you have to do your path. Well, in the process, you may have to fall into valleys so deep, wondering, how did I get myself here? It's such a mess. But stay encouraged, because you'll learn to climb out of that mess. Whether you fly out of the mess, get better shoes to climb out of the mess, get better wisdom, partnerships, and everything to get out of the mess. You'll learn to get out of the mess. Then you'll scale heights that no man has seen. So high that you feel like you can touch the sky. It's right there. You can taste it. You can see it. And as you learn to climb out of the valleys, you'll be able to reach back and give a helping hand to one that is in the valley by being you. That is the best part. You don't even have to do much. A few will be watching, seeing you stepping one step at a time out of that valley, and they will learn to do it just the way you did it. You don't even have to teach them. They will just observe and copy, you know. And that is the way we spread the light. That is the way we spread the light around, you know. But success is yours. I was talking to someone the other day whereby their cash flow was limited, and we came to talking, and it's like there is money everywhere. If you're doubting that money is flowing, go to the stock exchange. Just go online and look at the stock exchange. Look at how many trading transactions are happening, and you'll know money is flowing at this. Is in circulation. The question is, why isn't it flowing to you? What is it in you that is repelling? Don't you know the rules of money? Are you blocking money? Do you have limiting beliefs around money, that maybe you have to be a dirty dog to have money, or you have to be corrupt to have money. Those are all limiting beliefs that will stop you from actually being your best self, because you're thinking, if I have money, then I'm a dirty dog, or if I have money, then I'm corrupt. That is not true. There are many trustworthy people, just like you guys listening to me. You are trustworthy, trying to build a wonderful life for you and your family and your generations to come. You're doing things right. I hope you're doing things right. You're finding wisdom and knowledge and putting it together to create something. For sure, you deserve all the success. You deserve the abundance that comes with prosperity and good health and harmony and peace and joy and all that good stuff. You deserve it all. So start believing that you deserve it now, and start trusting that other people deserve it too, so that you don't have a mentality of a limiting belief or sabotaging that if you get all this wealth, it means you're in the doghouse. No. It will flow to you with your integrity and doing things right. It's not one or the other. In every society, these things that come along the lines of corruption will always be there. But that doesn't take away from the good people and those who are doing things the right way, that we think things should be done. So abundance is yours, and I pray you don't get disappointed while you're in the valley, because the hilltops are wonderful and everything you want is there. As always, this is Mother Ego. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.